Hey guys, my name is James Diaz, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Anna by Harry Styles on the guitar. So let's get started. The chords for the verses and the intro, and all the guitar solos, it's just an A. The whole time. You don't have to play it here, you can play it up here if you want. And the chords for the bridge is also just an A. And then the chords for the chorus. I don't want your sympathy, but you don't know what you do to me, oh Anna. It's gonna be an E to a D, and then to an A. And then it's gonna be an E to an F sharp minor, to a D, and then to an A. Alright, so those are all the chords that you need to know for this song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the intro, the first verse, the chorus, and the bridge, just so you can see where all these chords are placed in the song. And then I'll teach you a strumming pattern you could use at the end of the video. Alright, so the intro is going to go. Then you go into the first verse. Don't know where you're lying, just know it's not with me. Tell you, pass you on the streets. Then you go into the chorus. And I want your sympathy, don't know what you do to me, oh every time I see your face, there's only so much I can take, oh. And then you go into the second verse. It's the same as the first verse. The strumming pattern is just a little different, so I'm actually going to play that for you too. You do the same strumming pattern as the chorus, so it'll be a... Then you go, I want your sympathy. Go back into the chorus, but the choruses are all the same, so I'm going to skip ahead to the bridge for you. Alright, and then the bridge, it's just the exact same strumming pattern as the chorus that I'll teach you in a second. And you're coming out of the guitar solo, so you just stick with the A the whole time, so it's a... I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. Sympathy, but you never know what you do to me, oh. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the strumming pattern you could use now. Alright, so for the intro I'm just doing the A chord, and then you just hit it once, and then twice, so 2, 3, 4. For the intro, and then for the verses, you just hit it once, just for the first verse. And then you go into the chorus, and you're gonna hit the E chord one time. Then you're gonna hit the D chord one time, and then you're gonna go into the strumming pattern, and it's gonna be on the A. So it'll be, all right, and the strumming pattern is gonna be down, up, down, up, down, down. So it'll be down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, down. And you don't have to change chords for the entire time. So it's just down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And you notice there's like a little pause there. So it's down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So faster it'll be down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's the only strumming pattern for this entire song. So you'd use that for the choruses on the A chord. Every time it gets to the oh Anna, and then down, 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 down. And then for the guitar solo, for the bridge, and for the second verse, you use that strumming pattern as well. So that is how you play Anna by Harry Styles on the guitar. That's a really basic strumming pattern you could use for this song. And now, we're going to talk about a book. The Girl with the Train is like the Hunger Games. They're both about girls. and they're both about trains. Only The Girl with the Train smells like Hollister. The Girl with the Train is better than The Lord of the Rings, in that it's smaller, and it costs less. The Girl with the Train is a magnet punk novel about a girl named Catherine set in a post-apocalyptic world, where the government is evil, and there's a resistance trying to fight said government. So the resistance is trying to take down the corrupt government, but they don't trust Catherine and her friends to do a very good job, so she decides to take matters into her own hands and steal a train from the resistance to go and infiltrate the highest level of their oppressive and corrupt government. Everything ends up going crazy, and she has to run away from the corrupt government with the stolen train from the resistance, and she expects no help from the resistance at all, seeing as she stole their train. So I actually read this book. I read it twice actually. I really liked it. And if you do get the book and you like it, I want to ask you guys if you can leave a review saying that James Diaz Music sent you. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope that this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you guys in another one.